Hi, hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today we discuss zoology second year, unit 1A, digestion, class 7. Class 7, zoology. Second year, second year, unit 1A, digestion. Digestion C7, class 7. 5, 8, 2. Okay, today we see zoology second year, unit 1A, digestion. So this class is C7. Okay, C7. Now we discuss about digestion of fats. Digestion of fats. Now we discuss about digestion of fats. The first one, bile salts of the bile help in the emulsification. Bile salts. Liver secretes bile salts and bile juice. Okay. Liver secreted by digestive tract inside bile salts. Bile salts help in the emulsification of fats. This is the first point. Bile salts secreted by liver. Bile salts help in the emulsification of fats. So this is the first point. Okay, next one. Breakdown of fats into very small micelles. Breakdown of fats into very small micelles. Okay, small micelles. This is the second one. And third one. Bile also activates lipases and pancreatic juice. And pancreatic juice and intestinal lipases. And intestinal lipases. This is the third one. Third point. Third point is bile also activates lipases and pancreatic juice and intestinal lipases. This is the third one. And the fourth one, the lipases act on emulsified fats and convert them into fatty acids and glycerols. Fatty acids and glycerols. This is the fourth one. So once again, first one, bile salts of the bile help into emulsification of fats. Bile salts secreted by liver. Next, second one, breakdown of fats. Breakdown of fats into very small is called as micelles. is called as mycelium. Breakdown of fats into very small is called mycelium. Is called mycelium. This is the second one. And third one, bile also activates. Bile also activates lymphases of pancreatic juice, and intestinal lymphases. So this is the third one. Next, fourth one. The lymphases act on emulsified fats. The lymphases act on emulsified fats and convert them into fatty acids and glycerols. This is the fourth one. Okay. The lymphases act on emulsified fats and convert them into fatty acids and glycerols. So this is the fourth point. Okay. Next one. So next one. Digestion of fats. Digestion of fats. 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 Fats converted by emulsified fats. Emulsified fats in the bile salt. Fats converted by emulsified fats in the bile salt. Next, emulsified fats. Emulsified fats converted by diglycerides in the lipase. Emulsified fats converted by diglycerides in the lipase. Next one, diglycerides converted by monoglycerides in the lipases. Monoglycerides by the lipases. Next one, monoglycerides to be changed fatty acids and glycerols. These are the end products. Digestion of after digestion. Fats after digestion. End products is fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol is the end products. So once again, digestion of fats. Digestion of fats. Fats converted by emulsified fats by bile salt. Bile salt secreted by liver. Bile salts secreted by liver. Fats converted by emulsified fats by the bile salt. By the bile salt. And next one, emulsified fats. Emulsified fats converted by the diglycerides by the lipase. Emulsified fats to be changed diglycerides by the Liphases. Liphases. Next, diglycerides. 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 To be changed monoglycerides by the liphases. By the liphases. Diglycerides to be changed monoglycerides. Monoglycerides by the liphases. Next one, monoglycerides to be changed fatty acids plus glycerol by the lipase. By the lipase. Fatty acids. Finally, products is fatty acids and glycerol. These are the fatty acids plus glycerols. These are the end digestion after fats and products is fatty acids and glycerols is the end products. Okay. So next one. Now we discuss digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. Okay. Carbohydrates in the chyme. Carbohydrates in the chyme. Chyme is partially digested food material. Chyme is partially digested food material is called chyme. Partially digested food material is called chyme. Carbohydrates in the chyme are are hydrolyzed by the pancreatic amylase. Pancreas or pancreatic gland secretes amylase enzyme. This enzyme, amylase. This is the name of amylase. Amylase secreted by pancreatic gland. Amylase enzyme is secreted by pancreatic gland or pancreas. Okay. By the pancreatic amylase into carbohydrates. Okay, into carbohydrates. This is the first one. Carbohydrates in the chyme are hydrolyzed by the pancreatic amylase in the into carbohydrates. Into carbohydrates. Next, second one, intestinal disaccharides. Intestinal disaccharides act on the disaccharides act on the disaccharides and convert them into monosaccharides and convert them into monosaccharides. Amylase, this is the enzyme. This enzyme secreted by pancreas. Pancreas amylase into carbohydrates. Intestinal disaccharides act on the disaccharides and convert them into monosaccharides. Monosaccharides. So once again, first point, digestion of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates in the chyme are hydrolyzed by the pancreatic amylase into carbohydrates. This is first one. Next, second point. Intestinal disaccharides act on the disaccharides and convert them into monosaccharides monosaccharides. Disaccharides converted by monosaccharides in the hormone of amylase. The hormone of amylase. This hormone is secreted by pancreas. Okay. So this is the digestion of carbohydrates. First one, carbohydrates converted by maltose, sucrose and lactose. Carbohydrates to be changed maltose, sucrose, lactose, by the amylase. This enzyme acted by carbohydrates. Carbohydrates to be changed maltose, sucrose and lactose. Okay. Next one, maltose. This enzyme maltose to be changed glucose, and sucrose. Okay, maltose to be changed glucose, sucrose by the enzyme of maltase. Okay. Next, sucrose. Sucrose to be changed glucose and fructose. Fructose by the enzyme of sucrase. Sucrose to be changed glucose and fructose by the enzyme of sucrase. Next one, lactose. Lactose to be changed glucose and galactose. Glucose and galactose. Digestion of carbohydrates after end products is called as glucose and galactose. Okay. Once again, digestion of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates to be changed maltose, sucrose, lactase by the enzyme of amylase. Amylase secreted by pancreas. Okay. Maltose to be changed glucose and sucrose by the enzyme of maltase. And next one, sucrose. Converted by glucose and fructose by the enzyme of sucrase. by the enzyme of sucrase. Okay. Next one, lactose. Lactose. Lactose which is glucose and galactose. Glucose and galactose by the enzyme of lactase. By the enzyme of lactase. By the enzyme of lactase. Okay. Glucose and galactose is the end products of carbohydrates of digestion. These are the end products of carbohydrates. Okay.